Monday morning, Finn opened his laptop. The market was crashing, and fear spread across every financial headline. Finn checked his bank account. His savings were shrinking faster than he had ever expected. Finn realized that wealth is built through consistent habits, not luck or overnight success. He stopped chasing quick profits and focused on building lasting wealth, one investment at a time. As his income increased, Finn avoided lifestyle inflation and kept living below his means. He invested more for retirement, knowing that time is the greatest advantage any investor can have. At the end of the year, Finn reviewed his portfolio and stayed focused on long-term goals. Finn balanced his investments with stocks and gold, reducing risk through smart diversification. He began teaching friends simple money lessons because financial knowledge grows when it's shared. One rule changed Finn's life forever: spend less, save more, and invest consistently. Years later, Finn smiled at his growing portfolio. Patience had quietly turned small steps into real wealth. Every smart financial decision starts today. Subscribe for more simple money lessons and keep building your financial future. His credit card bill revealed the truth. Small purchases had become expensive debt. One headline caught his attention: "Is the AI bubble about to burst?" Finn compared spending today with investing for tomorrow. One choice could change everything. The S&P 500 chart showed one lesson: markets fall, but history rewards patience. Bitcoin suddenly crashed. Panic spread quickly, but experienced investors stayed calm. Bills kept arriving every month. Rent, utilities, insurance, and internet all demanded attention. Finn finally created a monthly budget. Every dollar now had a clear purpose. He stopped relying on credit cards. Financial freedom begins with better spending habits. Finn started saving a little every month. Small habits create big financial results. Then he discovered compound interest. Time became his greatest investing advantage. His investment portfolio slowly grew. Patience was finally starting to pay off. Inflation quietly reduced buying power. Prices kept rising while cash lost value. Grocery shopping became more expensive. Everyday life reminded Finn why planning matters. Finn reviewed his retirement account. Starting early gave his investments more time to grow. He researched ETFs instead of chasing trends. Diversification helped reduce unnecessary risk. Finn learned the difference between good debt and bad debt. Smart borrowing has a purpose. Cash felt safe, but inflation kept reducing its real value every single year. An emergency fund gave Finn confidence. Unexpected expenses no longer controlled his financial future. Payday arrived. Finn invested first and spent later. Paying yourself first builds wealth over time. Every student loan payment brought him closer to freedom. Progress was slow, but it never stopped. Finn discovered passive income. Money can work even while you're sleeping if invested wisely. He built multiple income streams. Depending on one paycheck suddenly felt far too risky. Every month, Finn invested automatically. Consistency mattered more than trying to predict the perfect time. A message promised guaranteed profits. Finn ignored it because real investments always involve risk. A fake investment email looked convincing. One careful decision protected years of hard-earned savings. Artificial intelligence was changing jobs everywhere. Finn chose to learn instead of fear the future. AI became his assistant, not his replacement. New skills created new opportunities every single day. Technology never stops evolving. Successful people evolve with it instead of resisting change. Finn compared renting and buying a home. The best decision depends on personal goals and finances. Shopping with a list saved money. Every planned purchase protected his monthly budget. Before buying anything, Finn asked one question: do I really need this right now? Reading financial news daily helped Finn understand markets without reacting emotionally to every headline. His credit score improved slowly. Paying bills on time opened better financial opportunities. Months later, Finn noticed something different. Financial stress had finally started disappearing from his life. Tracking every expense revealed hidden spending habits. Awareness became the foundation of smarter financial decisions. Finn invested in index funds instead of chasing hype. Long-term thinking replaced short-term excitement. Learning the stock market taught Finn patience. Knowledge became far more valuable than lucky guesses. Recessions come and go. Calm investors stay focused because temporary fear doesn't last forever. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share.